everybody! Well, Professor Brainy's back for some more phonics. We are joined by Grandma Brain and our helpers today for our warm-up song. So because it's been so wintry outside, I thought we could sing a warm-up song about penguins, and it's got some actions in it and it goes quite quick and we look a bit silly. Are you ready to join in, guys?
Yeah.
Grandma looks excited. Let's go. Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, right foot. Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot. Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot. Bob your head. Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot. Bob your head, stick your tongue out. Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot. Bob your head, stick your tongue out, go in a circle. Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention, penguins dismissed. Yay! Woo! Well done, everybody. Are we tired now?
Yeah.
Are we ready to get our brains working for some phonics?
Yeah.
Yeah! Join me for some phonics activities. Everyone, Grandma's asleep. She's tired out from the penguin, so listen to her snoring. Shh. Shh. Do you remember our digraph we've been learning? Shh. It makes a shh sound, doesn't it? Shh. I think it's about time we woke her up because I need her help with the next activity. Okay? Shh. Are you ready? Grandma, I'm so sorry. I fell on you then, Grandma. I'm sorry. Are you all right? Are you okay? Yes. It was a bit of a shock, that wasn't it? I'm sorry. I just fell. I fell. Anyway, Grandma, now you're awake. Can you help me with my next activity? Because the girls and boys have been learning the shh sound. Can you say shh? Yeah. But we also want to learn about the ch sound. Ch, ch. Can you do ch? Ch. Yes. So I thought we could do an activity together first, okay? Now I need your help and I need some more helpers. So just move up a bit, Grandma, please. Come on, helpers. Now then, I've got a challenge for you, okay? Your challenge is to think of 10 ch words, okay? 10 ch words, and you have to do it when I sound my horn, okay? So as soon as I sound my horn, you have to think of a ch word. Now the ch can be at the beginning, end, or anywhere in the word, okay? It doesn't have to be at the beginning, okay? Do you think you're up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready? Right, Grandma, we'll start with you and we'll go down the line. Let's see if we can get to 10. Are we ready?
Chain.
Chick. Church.
Much.
Children. Chair.
Chin.
Chicken. Chips.
Such.
Yay! Right, okay, so join me in a bit. We'll do a sorting activity with sh and ch in. Well done, guys. Okay, everyone, quick recap of our recent sounds. Are we ready? X, j, y, w, v, z. Now this next one is a digraph. Can you remember what a digraph is? That's right, it's when two letters make one sound. So we've got z. Well done. Another digraph. Qu. And our new digraph for this week. Sh. Well done. And our other new digraph for this week. Ch. 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 Super. Now then, I was thinking we could do a sorting activity with some sh and ch words. So for this activity, I need you to do some really good listening and see if you can hear whether we have got the sh or the ch sound in the words. Now, I need some pictures for this activity. So if I program my amazing machine correctly, hopefully we should get some pictures. I'm going to put my sh and ch sounds in and hopefully we'll get some pictures out. Are we ready? I'll put those in. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa, I've got some pictures. Here we go. Oh, one's coming out there. Oh. What's it a picture of? A sheep. A sheep. Which sound can you hear in that word? Can you hear a ch or a sh? It's a sh, isn't it? So I'll put that on this side. Sheep. Is it at the beginning, middle or end of our word? Sheep. It's at the beginning, isn't it? Right, ready? Beep, beep, beep. Oh, another sound, another picture. What's this a picture of? Fish. Which sound can you hear in fish? Ch or sh? It is, it's sh. Now, is it at the beginning, just like the word sheep? It's not, is it? It's at the end. Fish. The sh sound is at the end. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, one's already there. What's that a picture of? It's a chick. Chick. Which column should it go in? Which side should it go on? This one? No, it's this one, isn't it? It's got the ch sound at the beginning. Chick. Beep, beep, beep. Here we go. Another picture. What are they? Yummy. Chips. Chips. Well done. Which digraph can we hear? Ch or sh? Ch or sh? Ch, ch, chips. Ch. It's this side, isn't it? Ch, chips. Beep, beep, beep. Another picture. What's this one this time? It's a shell. Shell. Which one has it got? This one. No, it's this side, isn't it? Shell. And it's at the beginning of our word. Beep, beep, beep. Let's have a look. Oh, what's the arrow pointing at? It's his cheek. Cheek. Right, which side should this go on? Yeah, the ch side. Well done. Ch for cheek. Beep, beep, beep. What do you think that might be? A sh or a ch word? What are they doing? They're having a chat. Chat. What can you hear? Ch, ch, ch. Chat. Well done. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, I can see another face here. Let's see where the arrow's pointing to this time. What part of the face? Chin. Well done. Chin. Is it a sh or a ch? A ch again. A ch. We've got lots of ch's, haven't we? I'll tell you what, I'll put that one down there. Ch, ch, ch. For chin. Is it at the beginning or end of our word ch? Chin. It's at the beginning, isn't it? Beep, beep,
Beep.
Oh, here we go, another one. What's that a picture of? It's a bush. Bush. Which one can you hear? Ch-bush. Bush. It's a sh, isn't it? Goes on that side. And it's at the end of the word. Bush. Bush. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, last picture. What's this a picture of? A ship. Ship. Which side should it go on? This one or this one? Ship is this one, isn't it? Sh sound. Okay, so we've got 5 pictures on each side. We've sorted them into ch and sh sounds. Now, your task is to get your whiteboard pen or your pencil, whatever you've got there, or your felt tip and a piece of paper or your whiteboard, and I want you to see if you can spell some of these words and put them on the right side on your piece of paper. So split your piece of paper up like I have, and I'll do a close-up picture of all these pictures here, and you've got to write the words down. Sound them out, because you should be able to do most of them. Maybe if grown-ups write out the alphabet for you so you can choose the right letters that you can hear when you sound out and segment those words. So for example, if you were doing chin, we would hear ch, so you would write ch. And then what's the next sound you can hear? Ch, I, so you'd write I. And what's the last sound? Ch, in, chin, so you would write the ch, I, chin. So you should have all the word chin written underneath the ch. And then you pick another of my pictures. Now don't worry if you can't spell some of these. For example, cheek. We haven't done the E sound yet, so don't worry. Just write down what you think you can hear. That's okay. All right. Well done, everybody. Super work today. Have fun. See you later.